Nuclear charge is influenced, or mainly influenced, by the number of protons. Now, we're also going to take a look at effective nuclear charge, which is influenced by the nuclear charge and the number of electrons that shield the nucleus from the outer shell. So let's go ahead and look at the nuclear charge in relation to the periodic table of elements. As you move to the right of the periodic table, nuclear charge is going to increase. And as you move down the periodic table, the nuclear charge is also going to increase. So when you get towards the bottom right corner of the periodic table, the nuclear charge is going to be very strong. If you're at the top left, the nuclear charge is going to be pretty small. Now, the effective nuclear charge, like we said, first takes into account the nuclear charge. And so as you move to the right, the effective nuclear charge is still going to increase, because as you move to the right of a period or a row, the nuclear charge is increasing, but the shielding is staying constant. So overall, the nuclear charge is increasing. Now, when you go down a column or down a group of the periodic table, the effective nuclear charge is decreasing, or it decreases. So now you may be thinking, okay, how can this work? Because the nuclear charge is increasing as you move down the periodic table. So why isn't the effective nuclear charge increasing as well? That's because although the nuclear charge increases down a group, the shielding also increases. And the farther you go down, the more the shielding effect outweighs the increase in nuclear charge. So eventually, the shielding effect is going to outweigh the increase in nuclear charge, so the effective nuclear charge is actually decreasing as you move down a group or column of the periodic table. And then one last note that I forgot to mention on the nuclear charges: as the atomic number increases, the nuclear charge increases. That's generally how it works. And so you can see that as the atomic number increases, the nuclear charge is also increasing. But just by remembering these few facts about whether the nuclear charge or effective nuclear charge increases or decreases as you move around the periodic table can help you just look at an element, see where it's geographically situated on the periodic table of elements, and get an idea of how strong its nuclear charge is.